To start with the first flower, take 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter square piece of paper and fold it as shown in the video. So once you're done folding, grab a scissors and cut the folded piece of paper in the shape of petal as shown in the video. So once you're done cutting, open the folded piece of paper, and this is how it looks once it's done. So the first layer is ready. Make 2 more layers in the similar process. Now grab a layer and cut one petal from the layer and glue the other 2 ends using white glue or glue stick. Now start by putting the layers all together and see how it looks, and once you're happy with the arrangement, start by gluing it. Now let's make the inner part of the flower. For it, you'll be needing a thin strip of paper and start stripping it using scissors. Now roll the strip and secure the end using white glue. So for the next flower, we'll be needing 10 centimeter square paper and fold it as shown in the video. Once you're done folding, cut it using scissors in the shape of petal. This is how it looks once you're done cutting. You'll be needing 4 layers of these for the flower. Now cut one petal from the first layer, 2 petals from the second layer, 3 petals from the third layer and 4 petals from the fourth layer. Now secure both the ends using white glue. Repeat the same process for the rest of the layers. Now curl the petals of the flower using paintbrush or a pencil. Now grab each of the layers and start by gluing all of them together. Okay, so now let's take a look at the flowers that we have made.